Have you been dreaming of finding the perfect city home right in the center of Toronto? I'm Gillian Oxley, and trust me, I have that home for you. If you think about a little town muse from London or an incredible brownstone from New York City, this is it. 44 Belmont Avenue. We're steps to Yorkville, turn around and go the other way, and we're steps to Ramsden Park. We're right on top of a TTC line, so it's easy to get anywhere, and we're walking distance to just about everything. You can't believe the space and the finishes in this home. Come check us out.